the studio. I was having such a great day. It's Saturday morning, beautiful sunny day, and I got my first COVID vaccine appointment for next week, and I'm also getting my hair finally cut next week. So what better way to celebrate than going to the thrift shop, which fortunately is still having their 50% off everything sale. And I like what I picked up today, so you want to check it out? Let's get hauling. So here are my goodies from today's 50 off at my little church charity thrift shop. I do very well there. It's very exciting. And the ladies who work there know me, so they kind of put things aside. But my total spend for this haul was $14. Let's see what I picked up and why. In jewelry, they actually had a box of free jewelry. Now, those two words together are music to my ears. So what I picked up is this pair of pierced earrings, and they look very 1980s, very dynasty-ish. And they were free. Pierced. They could be vintage, but I thought they were nice. For $0. I'll take it. The other pair of earrings I found are clips. It's definitely some age, and they're almost like a shell material. Very lightweight. You look on the back. It's not plastic. So it's some sort of shell, but very pretty. And those were also free. Then this little mask, hand-carved wood, $1.50, and it's got the string for hanging, and it has some Asian characters, which I don't know what it says, but it definitely looks hand-carved, and it's lightweight, and I love kind of Asian motif things, which I picked up actually a couple of Asian-inspired pieces today. I thought he was happy looking. That's why I got him. Off he goes. Then in artwork, I always look at artwork wherever I go thrifting. And this piece caught my eye. It's a nice frame. Good condition. It was 50 cents. And I haven't explored it enough to know if it's a print or an original. And it is signed. It won't focus. So I'm going to investigate that. It's from 1999 and definitely is signed by something Clark. I'll have to see if I can find anything out on it. But I thought it was well done. So we'll see once I open it up if it's anything special. I just liked it. It was pretty. So that's why I got that. Then the other piece in art was this cross-stitch sampler for $2. I'm trying to decipher that word. Might be Amish. Not sure. But it's all hand-done, cross-stitch, in a sampler style. So I do very well with needlework. And this is definitely got some age to it. It's definitely hand-done by someone. So I just thought that was really pretty. Nice size, and again, it's easy to ship because it's not framed. Then back to the Asian motif. Actually, though, this is Italian made. $2.50, kind of a monk. And I don't know, ivory. I don't know if it's ivory, but ivory's a problem because I don't think you can sell ivory anymore, but I'm going to look into it. Made in Italy. A sculptor name on it with the original tag. So we'll see if I can find out any information. But good condition. There's a couple of little, what they call flea bites on his bun. I liked it though. It's windy. I don't know if you can hear all my wind chimes going crazy. Then this piece, 25 cents. It's not marked. It looks like it could be Mexican. Just a very pretty pottery vase. I loved the colors. I love the painting. I haven't looked to see if it's got any signature buried in there. But Mexican pottery is one of those things that is on trend right now, and it does very well. Then this little piece is Germany with a mold number on it. Little picture, and then it's got the sticker on it, which I can look up. But Germany, I believe, I could be wrong on my history, is pre-World War II, before the Berlin Wall went up. Otherwise, you would see West Germany or East Germany. So it's definitely got, I believe, age to it. Very good condition. The gold is very vibrant. It's this beautiful mottled glaze. Great condition. And I think this will do well. Did I say the price? $1. Another small is this peacock bud vase, and it's marked Japan. I don't think it's that old, but it's hard to tell. But again, beautiful paint. Peacocks are a theme that people go with and like. And I just sold one of these recently. Very similar size and styling. Then this is definitely not vintage. It's a Swell water bottle. And I received one of these from a girlfriend of mine for a Christmas present, and I love it. I love it. It keeps everything so nice and cold. This is in good condition in a pretty lilac color. Wash it before I list it. But there's no like weird smells or stains. And, their retail is usually like $30 to $40. I got this for $0 because they like, oh, you could just take it. It's just a water bottle. And I said to the woman, though, this brand is very popular and expensive. Oh, just take it. Alrighty. So I did. Then this little kitchen set. It's kind of a soap dispenser and a napkin holder. Like cutesy things like this are not always my favorite things, but I thought they were modern. But then when I looked on the bottom, they're Otagiri, Japan. And I've said it in previous videos, the Otagiri brand for me sells literally overnight. It's a very collectible type of brand and perfect condition. I guess the Mama and Papa Bear, the chef and Mama, napkin holder. But again, excellent condition. I'll open this up to make sure there's no soap residue in it and clean it up. But for Otagiri, it's unusual. This tends to be more of an Otagiri style that I found. That's why at first I didn't pick these up. But I'm glad I did. So I got both of them for $2. Then the final is this Cocapelli, I think it's called, tile, Southwestern. And this figurine, I believe, is known as the Cocapelli. Very famous motif in Native American and Southwestern art. I forget exactly what it means. The flute player, maybe, but I thought that was just very pretty. Good condition, not marked. So I don't think necessarily old, but I liked it. Nice tile. So that's it. A lot of littles, but everything I purchased today or got for free, I'm very pleased with. So please hit the like button, hit the notify button, help us out, comment, all that fun stuff. So next time, we'll see you from the studio. Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe and well. Bye.